The Colts have agreed to a one-year contract with kicker Adam Vinatieri, who is chasing the NFL's all-time scoring record. The 45-year-old spent 10 years with the Patriots, racking up some clutch kicks and helping to cement the championship dominance of New England in the early 2000s. Vinatieri signed with the Colts in 2006 and continued his successful run. And now at 2,487 career points, he is just 57 points shy of Morton Anderson's record. He has a shot at breaking the record. Vinatieri ended last season with 109 points.